That's a good size. Wow. Wow. Huh. It's not very big, but hey, I'm happy. Ooh, look at the size of this guy, folks. Not too shabby. Probably about a good 2 pound, maybe. Yes. Ha. I'm happy. Hey, what's up, everyone? Yeah, we spent an hour and a half out there at the Upground Reservoir. Caught us only 2 bluegills. Well, I caught something, folks. I think I caught something. Yeah, I did catch something. Ha! There we go, folks. Our first catch of the day. Nice looking bluegill. About 6-inch bluegill. Not too shabby. It's actually, looks like a red ear. There we go, folks. First catch of the day. There's another little bluegill, folks. Actually, this one is bigger than the first one that we caught. Look at that, folks. That is about a 6.5-inch bluegill. Not too shabby. Well, at least we know the worms are working. Figured give it a shot again out here at the little park. So if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. The first setup that I'll be using, I'll be trying out again with a Santee Cooper rig. I'll be using a size 2 octopus hook on a peg bobber with a 1/2 ounce bank sinker. Let's give it a shot again with a shrimp. Well, this is what we'll be using. We'll be using some shrimp, and again, I like to tear off the head. Okay. There we go. Hopefully we can finally catch this something. We don't have much minnows either, so if anything else, we can try some other bait once all the minnows are gone here. And again, I like to sticking it right underneath his dorsal fin. To me, it gives it a lot better action than nose hooking it. Yes, there we go. There we go. Crappie. Small, tiny crappie. That's all that I've been catching out here so far. There it is. Got about a 7-inch crappie. There we go. First catch at the little park. Yep, shot out here, folks. Try catfishing out here. Try it out again with the shrimp. And of course, I'll be using the automatic fishing pole holder. Again, it surprises me that the place that I caught a lot of catfish last year, I haven't did very much this year. So we'll give it a shot, and hopefully we can catch us a catfish. There we are. There it is. Whoa! Here we go, folks. Yes! Woo! Oh, that's a big one. Yes! Finally, my first one out of this pond in over a year. Woo! That's a good size. Wow! Wow! Ooh, look at the size of this guy, folks. Not too shabby. Probably about a good 2 pound, maybe. Yes. Ha! I'm happy.
I have one down here.
Look at this, guys. Not too shabby. I got a 3/0 octopus. Probably about the same size, either 2/0 or 3/0. There we go. About a good 2-pound catfish. Here we go. Caught us a 2-pound catfish. Caught it on the shrimp. Well, here we are, folks, back at Center Green. I am running low on minnows, so we will try some other things. If not, let's see what we can do out here. Talk to you later. Let's give it a shot again with the minnows. See how well we can do out here. Again, I am running low on minnows, so once we're out, we'll try some other things. Oh, since we are running low on minnows, I think I'm going to give it a shot again with so far my favorite lure. Maybe we'll have better luck using the Berkley Gulp Minnows. And once again, I'll be using a little 2-inch Gulp Minnow. And there we are. Hopefully we can finally catch us something. Ooh. Ah, look at that, folks. Caught me a bass. Little tiny guy. About an 8-inch tiny little bass. Oops. Our first catch out of Center Green. Little tiny, about an 8-inch bass. Well, at least we caught something. Yes! Yeah, woo! Nice! There we go, folks. Not too shabby. Bass. Oh, yeah. Not too shabby, folks. Caught him using the Gulp Minnow. There it is, folks. Good 1/4-pound bass. Not bad. Of course, once again, it's raining.
I don't know why they call you, they don't answer.
Right? Yep, the key thing about fishing the Gulp Minnow, when you cast it out there, you want to give it a little bit of action. Oh, 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 yes! There we go, folks. Oh, yeah, oh! A bass! Little tiny itty bitty bass. Heck yeah, this will make a good pet. Look at it, folks. Smallest one I caught so far. Only about a 4.5-inch baby bass. Well, I caught a lot of 2 to 4-pound bass using this itty bitty little tiny Gulp Minnow. Oh yeah. Anyway, folks, I'll be taking off. We didn't do too badly today. Still, I managed to catch us a few bluegills, few bass, a couple of them on the Gulp Minnow, none on the mousetail, but hey, not a bad day. Anyway, I'll be taking off. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and consider subscribing, folks, for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. Anyway, I'll be taking off. You guys take care. Talk to you later.